Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. And for today, I will present for my diploma project, which is microwave heat imaging platform by using Arduino. Okay, so as you can see, this is my platform, which is the shape of the platform is a cone. So as you can see at the above, okay, so this is the pattern of the platform. Okay, so at the side, this side of the platform, I put Arduino Uno and also stepper motor. Okay, so how the prototype this function, which is the stepper motor on the top of the platform will move the antenna, so like this, move around the 360 degrees. So when it arrive at the 360, so it will reset again. It will reset at 0 degree and starting again to make a full 360 degree. Okay, so how to control the speed? We change some little bit at the coding. So how to change it? So we go to the set speed. We change the value of the RPM. So the for this project we use 2 RPM. Okay, so when I use set speed at 1 RPM, so we upload first. So when I use speed RPM is 1, so the speed of the antenna will be slowly lah. So you as you can see, okay, this is the antenna. So the movement of the antenna will be slow, and it will in the theory, the antenna can take more data from the sample. Okay, so if the antenna moves slow, so the data can read more other than other RPM. So if the speed of the antenna if increase, so the readiness of the data will be reduced lah. Okay, so this is the slow one. So you will take a little time to complete one circle 360 degree. Okay, so the antenna reset again, and it will start back at same point. Okay, so how to more than faster than 3. So I will try change from RPM 1 to RPM 3, and then we upload it. Okay, so as you can see, the antenna move more faster than RPM 2 because when the RPM is increased, so the speed will also increase, but the readiness of the data will be low than RPM 1 because the speed they cannot touch. So but will when the speed is increased, so the time to complete one circle in 380 degrees will be reduced. Okay, so we look again. So this is the antenna. So it will make one full circle in 380 degree. Okay, so it stop at 1 point, stay at 1 second. Okay, so it will reset again. Okay, So that's all for today for my presentation. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.